Hold on. What was that problem over there?
Where does the airline go to these new shocks?
It goes to the airbag.
Backside?
It goes to the airbag system.
See the provision for that.
Where's your airbags? Did you take the airbags?
This
Where's
is
your,
nice.
you got your child restraint device on there too?
This is nice. Alright.
You got more in here? How many hose you got in this bike?
We'll have it leak, bro.
I think you just rip all that crap off.
Think you just air the tires up with that now?
Sure.
Alright.
Do that with our ramp piece.
Which is it?
There's a ramp piece. Ramp.
Oh,
Spin this
alright.
thing around.
Well, her.
Where'd you hide it? Oh, you put it in the other room. Kid, out of sight. Okay, I can get rid of that lift. Somebody left that lift under there. One lifty. Airline.
The air.
The air.
Should we under the leather on the macaroonies?
Probably won't hurt.
Agreed.
Would my foot have a problem with that? Somebody keep jamming my foot.
Yeah. Is that what the problem was?
With my foot.
Get your bony foot out of there.
Okay. Take your shop off yet? I'll hang over here. Look how much easier that came off. These are some really high gauge. Okay. Now for the hard part.
Right?
Reverse. Go all the way.
I did.
I want that extra eighth inch.
Right there. It's all the way.
Turn it. Okay. Spin it up there. Another kickstand right there. Do you have a piece of tile or something?
Tile?
Piece of plastic tile, anything going inside your tire? Maybe easier slide if we have something.
Plastic tile.
Piece of tile, floor tile, piece of plastic, piece of cardboard. Well, not cardboard, it's gonna be hard.
Let me think about this.
Where is that other piece of wood? Right here.
Got a, supposed to use this kind of as a, where it's 2x like this, you know, to kind of give us like a ramp. And that'll push against that, right? Keep everything from
No, that's
moving.
not what I want to do.
Huh?
That's not what I want to do. Put it on the back of the bike.
Put what on the back leg?
Let me show you a trick. I'll move the bike. Take those two pieces of wood. I'm educating him on some new technique. Okay, take that.
Okay.
Who's that? Moved already?
That's great.
Okay, don't let it fall over. Okay, right there.
Oh, okay.
See, I got harder. They came off the board.
Oh shit, we're on my fucking exhaust too.
Oh my God.
Beast up.
Put a piece of rubber mark in your tire.
No, it's the exhaust I'm concerned about.
Well, I know why you have to go close to the bike. Back it up a little further. See how that makes it a lot easier? Ready? Okay, keep going. Almost free. Off of it. Slick that was.
Slick or Rudy?
Downtown. Remember that tile I have in my shop? That plastic tile? That stuff slides really nice on the floor like grease. Okay. I'm going to use it for the front wheel too a little bit.
I think I can roll it backwards. And
Get the ass in around, front end around a little bit. Stop. Okay, you got 3 feet now. Back them up. Okay, hold on for a minute. Okay, so we got 2x4s there, got some ramps to get up it. I'm gonna push the bike up onto that, and hopefully it doesn't fall on any one of us and kill us.
yeah, hopefully.
You like this? You like how I put that terminology?
That part.
Yeah. You know what you're doing yet? Are you done playing? Or stop moving? Okay. Let's get off the bike. Hands up. See this thing right here?
Yep.
See this thing right here? We pull this one, we steer that one. Ready? Okay. Lift the bike. We're gonna have a board. We're gonna board out here.
Yeah. That's gonna be a problem.
Where are you
Right.
with? Which one are you gonna move up? I'm trying to do this little one on this side. Which one are we on mostly? Which one are we on? Or we got equal?
We're pretty equal because we're on, got that 1 on it, but we can put a little lift underneath it.
The 2x4 between the tire and the rack, and just tighten this 2x4?
Yeah.
A little different. Open the rack back up a little bit.
Let me get a. Oh, send it here.
Get in there. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
We need to come back a little bit farther, I think, if we can now.
Yeah. There's what I want to do.
Like that?
Like that. Right. Hang her down, boss.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's pretty tight.
Okay. Get our ramp under there, our lift, I mean, excuse me. Oh, what's that film now? We missed all the good part. We were over there.
Really? Shit. That went off too easy, that's why.
That's because you
If we
had
were
to,
gonna drop that thing, kill one of ourselves, we'd have been filming it for sure.
it would have been a good film though.
Pretty nice, I gotta say.
It helps if 2 people are actually coordinating, can walk at the same time and do the same thing, because we had to be equally.
That definitely worked out really nice. Went a lot better than I thought it was gonna go.
Now the big problem right now is the rack is way back there. But I think it'll still work.
Okay,
As
so
long as these wheels don't get stuck on the floor in the wrong spot, we should be fine.
maybe we should jerk it over this way a touch.
I'm all right with that. We got clearance in the back, don't we? No problems.
Yeah.
Okay, hook up the lift. Now I need a couple straps. Give me one of the straps. Where the straps at? I got one that way.
I know you need better pair of better straps though.
Let's see. Okay, let's go and jack this pig up. I'm going to take this right over here and run this around the handle a little more, just like I did before. Warm the loop. Pull right down there and go to right here. And our strap is too short.
I'm short too. There's another one. Okay, there's another one. Closer.
No, it's too short.
Too short for that. Alright.
Where's your longer straps?
Let me think about where our straps at.
You should have real straps to hold your bike down, not this
These are called
Harbor Freight Special.
Remind me of the bike. You, what, you, I have more straps.
You have more straps? Good, because we need more straps.
I think I let my buddy borrow them all. He was moving bikes.
He stole your straps. That's not a very good buddy.
All my straps in there. I think I have some on the back of.
Actually, you really want to strap it there in it because that is the front end, and the front end is going to be the problem. You need to strap them behind. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can strap it to the bar here. Right here, make 2 loops like this around it. So they're on top of each other. Tie it once like this, on the other way. Like that. And you go right to this hook right here. We don't want to tie the front because we'll be working on it. I don't know why you, what dumbass want to do that? That's stupid. It's just so hard to get good help these days.
It is.
So 2 around the loop, on top of each other, make sure they overlap. And do the same thing, zip around the, make one turn around that, you make a turn around the hook. So it stays on that. Okay, we can pull that one.
No, we'll go under that. Under, huh?
Under what? Yeah, it's like that. On the hook. Give it a good pull. Strap that pig down.
Strap that piggy in.
Just put it in there and start kicking on it. It'll center around. All you do is put it through there in any direction, just start rotating, it'll fix itself. Whichever way it wants to go, it will go.
Right, you come off
You
the
should have pulled it out this side now. Pull this piece up here. You're holding it. You shouldn't be holding this. You should be pushing this back out, see? Okay, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. See how it's coming up over here on this other side? And you pull this up out of here. Now, you take up the slack and tighten it. Can you do that?
Yeah, but you like more than one turn there is probably a good idea, I think.
Keep going. Pull it. Keep pulling. Get the bike straight. Pull it. Okay, there you go. That looks straight now. Okay, now we got to put the ramp into there, and then we can slide it back over square.
Alright.
The ramp's right behind your foot there on the floor.
I'm gonna put the better one underneath it.
That one's fine.
I don't like it.
That big one's fine. It's working great. It's working great.
I don't trust that thing very much.
I don't trust that one at all. I'll trust that big one all day over that thing.
What?
Because it sits flat on the frame. Frame's flat under there.
Yeah, but I feel like this one could break in half on it.
You're not breaking that thing in half. It's a flexible piece of crap, but it ain't gonna break in half. Go back by the back of the motor. Go back where it's flat. Yeah, right in there. Fine. Perfect. Okay, here you go. Spin around this. Take that pinky holder. He's gonna get his power tools out now. Look at that. You got power tools. DeWalt, right? Yeah, that's DeWalt. You got the wrong socket again? Don't you know what size that is? It's called 7/8 of an inch. Oh, there goes the instruction sheet. We're in trouble. Oh, the 3 dogs went to bed. They sleep real nice, don't they? Grab that more, slide over a little bit. Again. Okay, center now, right?
Yeah.
Center.
Yeah, pretty
Bike
straight.
is not leaning one way or the other.
Nope. Like that.
Front is in the air already. Look at that. That is how you install an FLH onto a crappy lift rack with a bad lift. But it's strapped on so it ain't going anywhere. There you go. That's how you do it. Now you can safely work on your road turd. Because we gotta take this whole front end off. Everything has got to come off. Okay, we're gonna get a few tools and we'll be back.